Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts. Wear nitrile gloves and safety glasses, have a drain pan and shop rags ready. Remove the plastic engine cover and the intake elbow by loosening two 10mm bolts. Set bolts in a labeled tray. Remove the airbox clamp and reposition hoses out of the way. Label and disconnect each ignition, coil connector, and remove coils with a 10mm socket to access the valve cover bolts. Loosen valve cover bolts in a crisscross pattern and remove the cover to reveal the old gasket and mating surface. Support the cover as you lift to avoid pulling spark plug wires. Set the cover on a clean workbench. Carefully peel the old gasket from the groove, keeping debris out of cylinder openings and wiping surfaces with brake cleaner solvent on a lint-free rag. Inspect the cover for warping and the mating surface for oil residue, and replace bolts if stripped or corroded. Clean bolt holes with compressed air to remove trapped oil. Place the new valve cover gasket into the groove, ensuring it seats evenly with no twists or gaps before reinstalling the cover. Apply a thin bead of RTV only at the front and rear camshaft seal corners if the gasket instructions call for it. Use manufacturer-approved silicone sparingly. Set the valve cover in place, hand thread bolts, then torque valve cover bolts to 8 FTLB in a crisscross pattern to prevent warping. Reinstall ignition coils and connectors, replace the intake elbow and engine cover, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine, check for leaks around the valve cover, and retorque bolts after a short warm-up if any seepage appears.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.